what a lovely start. We have had some rain last night. Proper. Seeing the barrows. Oh, not the best start, is it? Lovely job. Anyway, we've got the block walls up now. So that's ready to continue this wall onto to the end. Return there, steps there, lovely jubbly. We cracked on with the little wall over there. We have still got to point that, but we probably will let it dry up first, because the forecast says anyway it's going to stop raining in about an hour or two. So yes, so we got this in yesterday. Like I say, just needs pointing. So I think today, obviously when it does stop raining, but we've got a bit of a problem with obviously the flooding, we'll continue that like that, get all that filled in, and then whack these slabs on top. Lovely jubbly. Lovely slabs actually. Absolutely lovely. You don't get paving slabs that thick anymore, I'll tell you that. Hey, Pat's left his flask. But lovely jubbly. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, it does stop raining. And yeah, I believe that's the plan anyway, but I don't know what we're going to do really. The whole ground's just flooded. Proper flooded. Oh, yeah. Not good. Just have to evaluate it all once we take the hessing off, we'll just make sure it's all alright. Don't think we'll be going up there today, mate. No. So like, literally I start underwater on that bit. But luckily we have got a secondary option, which is this bit. Luckily the footings are actually slightly higher than this ground level, so it is totally dry, so we can smash on with this section, which I think we'll do probably because it's just too wet up there. Too wet. We'll try and get what we built yesterday pointed, but like I say, so we'll smash on with this section, get the return in, obviously start the steps. Well, we'll come all the way along here. This will be the first step. Lovely jubbly. But no, it's not bad, like I say, it's always good to keep a few options, especially in scenarios like this. Like that wall is doing lovely, it's starting to really go well. Let's see, steps there. Ooh. Obviously kept an eye on the weather, but temperature wise it's all good. Oh hello, storage around here. These are lovely, aren't they? Expensive things. I think they're £90 a sheet. They're obviously using it for that. Lovely though. It is nice, but no, it's all very moist, but it's all going well. Like I say, we've got no risk of frost for a minute, so that's why we've uncovered it. But to be honest with you, yeah, that's all fine. It's all lovely actually. Now we've got the tops on, it's not too bad. If we didn't have the tops on, we probably would have covered it just to protect it from the rain, but it's all gone off pretty well. Still brushable though, but hard enough to withhold the rain. Righty, so feels chillier today. A bit mad. But no, it's all slowly coming together now. It's lovely. Obviously once we get this bit in, it's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful. Cam's knocking one up. And yeah, so I think we'll just start on this bit for a minute anyway, and then like I say, it does feel like it's getting brighter. Like I say, forecast says in about an hour or so, so it will be good. And but in the meantime, me and Cam are going to splash in the puddles, aren't we, Cam? Yes. Oh, stone situation's getting a bit low, but I reckon we will get through the skin of our teeth without getting any more. I know the project manager would love us for that. Yes, well, we've got that pole there. Oh, there's not much down here. No, nothing over there. Oh, I don't know, you know. I think we might actually have to get some. Well, we've got that pole there. And then we got this over here. Bearing in mind, probably, what have we got? We still got to go like that. So Still technically half of this wall. Oh no, yeah, I think we are gonna have to get more of the. Well, we can't get any of the old stuff basically, but we can get this new stuff. We call it the new Greenstone. But yeah, I think we are actually gonna have to get some of that, to be honest with you. I thought there was more around that corner up there. Oh, that'll be alright. But we've got enough to finish that bit. Just have to see about this bit. Ooh, lovely jubbly. It is rather moist, but anyway, it's Thursday. Love a Thursday. And yeah, fingers crossed this weather stops and we can get some boom snap building done. It will be alright. It will be alright. Right, anyway, let's crack on. And let's smash today out. Finally, the sun is out. Lovely jubbly. Right, we are cracking on now. Got a good base course in. Pat's finished the corner up there. So we're literally just going to absolute boom snap boss mode this bit out now. I say Pat's starting on the returns there. Yeah, we have literally got down to this stone. Half of that's old block anyway. So I believe there is a bag of stone en route to us right now, because if we build too much of that wall with the old stuff, when we get the new stuff, it's going to look like two types of wall. So it is, yeah, it's very important to make sure we get that stone now, basically, before we carry on building. So we're just going to have a cup of tea. I'll say Pat finished this bit up here. Oh look. So yeah, Cam, it is getting pointed as well now. I say it's all going to be underground, but they want it pointed, so Cambo's just cracking on with the pointing. So yeah, so obviously we got to this bit here yesterday, so Pat's just carried on. Lovely jubbly. Lovely jubbly. So now that's right, you know, it's just, and then what we do, let that go off, and then I think, well, Pat's not in tomorrow, so Monday we'll slab that area there. Lovely, and then the gravel's going in here. Just a bit of decorative gravel or something in the back there. So yeah, it's alright. It's better than seeing naked foundation, isn't it? So, but yes, so that is what's on at the minute. Like I say, just wait for that greenstone to come. Should be here in about 10-15 minutes. So, and then yeah, we'll just literally crack on with this section. Really boom snap build. Get it up. Lovely jubbly. Right, anyway, let's go have a cup of tea. Cup of tea, cheeky cup of Rosie Lee. Right, anyway, we are cracking on well. Like I say, Pat's completed that end bit, as you saw. So now he's come down, helping me on the front bit, smashing on with it. Yeah, it's all good. Cambo's pointing up that section, should get it done today. And then obviously we can brush it up tomorrow. Like I said earlier, Pat's not in, so it's only me and Cambo. So hopefully, you know, after lunch and that, we'll get that section good, you know, good dent in the section. And then tomorrow, obviously finish it off, get it all pointed, lovely jubbly. Obviously it's Friday, so we'll just take obviously the weekend into consideration. And then, yeah, so hopefully we shouldn't be far from really being up. Like I say, that greenstone should hopefully be there when, you know, obviously once we finish a cup of tea and that. So yeah, that'll be just a big hand there, because it was just getting to a point this morning where we're just playing around with all this old stone, you know what I mean? So at least with the new stuff, we, you know, we just don't want obviously a two-tone looking wall really, which you would get if we would have carried on, because I think it was actually supposed to come tomorrow. But obviously the way, you know, because we've got these big stones left, it doesn't take long to actually get your meterage done. So that's what's happened today, basically. We've obviously built a bit faster than was anticipated. So yeah, it's pretty good. Luckily the quarry is local to where we're working, so that's good. So anyway, yes, that'll be here, I'll say, in any memento. And yeah, crack on this afternoon, get this wall up, and then, you know, that step area, well, like I say, Pat's cracking on with the returns. So really, we've got the step area to think about, and then, yeah, jobs are good. And well, I suppose I'll probably get on with them tomorrow, like the actual steps, like, we'll just have to wait and see, like, but yeah, that's all going good, all going good. Anyway, let's finish the tea and smash out this afternoon. Yes, baby.